Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. This is a sponsored video. Today I'm going to unbox and demonstrate this top-of-the-line Japanese Nakano Mito Santoku knife. The reason why this specific kind of knife is called Santoku is supposedly due to the multiple functions of this knife. Santoku is a Japanese word meaning three virtues, where San stands for three and Toku means virtue. It came with a small pamphlet that includes interesting facts about the knife as well as some tips for the maintenance. The knife is handmade in Seki, Japan. It was first founded in 1918. The blacksmith brings generations of swordsmith experience into blending and crafting sharp and durable kitchen knives. This one right here is made out of high quality natural olive wood. Now let's put it through the test of three different cutting styles: chopping, roll cutting, and slicing. First, we're starting with chopping. Next is roll cutting. And lastly, slicing. Look how thin it is. This knife is a big time winner. It's by far the best crafted knife I've used in my life. This is the Mito series Nakano Santoku knife. I'm so glad to announce that the company has offered a perk for my valuable followers. If you use the custom link that I have provided in the description box below, you'll get a special discount for any purchase at www.nakano-knives.com/cookinghorizonbytess. The discount code is Cooking Horizon by Tess. You can either buy the same knife in this video or you get to choose from the wide range of collection at nakano-knives.com. So please don't miss out on this special discount and shop following the link in my description box below. It's not just a kitchen tool, but it's a piece of art. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you once again.